Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Acon Quik Check Plus HP Hemoglobin Test Strips. This is the box. Acon Quik Check Plus HP Hemoglobin Test Strips. You can find the brand name over here, and you can find that what are the content present inside the box. It comes up with 50 test strips and 50 capillary tube, one code chip and one package insert, and this comes up with an IVD marking. You can find the temperature control over here. It can be stored in 8 degree to 30 degree Celsius, and this is a C certified product. Now I am going to show you the side view of the box. This is the side view. You can find the brand name over here, Quik Check Plus HP Hemoglobin Test Strips, and you can find the reference number over here. And at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Here you can find that it comes up with 50 test strips, 50 capillary tube, one code chip and one package insert. And over here you can find the reference number. Reference number is C1323037, and you can find the manufacturing details over here. Now I am going to unbox this for your reference. At the top you can find an user manual. It comes up with an user manual for Quik Check Plus HP Hemoglobin Test Strips. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can find the code chip for the meter. Here you can find the capillary tube. Capillary transfer tubes. Totally 50 capillary transfer tubes. Each vial consists of 25, and this is the vacuum pump for capillary tube to suck the sample. I'm just going to place this aside. This is the Quik Check Plus HP Hemoglobin Test Strips. You can find the reference number over here, C1323017, and code is 948. It consists of 25 strips, and you can find the temperature control is 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. This is an C certified product. You can find the brand name Acon over here and manufacturing detail at the bottom. This is the overall content present inside the box. To summarize it, it comes up with an user manual and 50 capillary tubes, 25 in each case, and one code chip, and 50 test strips, 25 in each pack, and this is the overall content present inside the box. Thank you.